Let us now continue in the adhikara of samana adhikaranena, which as we know runs from 2149 down to the end of this first quarter of the second chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. We have already studied 2150, 2151, 2152, 157. Now let us take 155 and 56. Let us take 155 first. It reads Upamanani samanya vachanaihi. The vritti states Upamana vachakani subantani samanadhikaranaihi samanya vachanaihi subantaihi saha vasamasyante sacha tat Purushaha. We know very well the anuvritti of sup is coming down from 212. Subhamantrite parangavatsware. This is why the vritti says Upamana vachakani subantani. And also anuvritti of sahasupa coming down from 214. That's why the vritti says Samanadhikaranaihi samanya vachanaihi subantaihi saha. And we already mentioned the anuvritti of Samanadhikaranena is coming down from 2149. And of course, we are in the adhikar of vibhasha, which comes down from 2111. That is why the vritti says vasamasyante. And finally, the adhikar of tatpurushaha, which runs from 2122 down to 2222. So the resulting compound prescribed by this sutram 2155 is a tatpurushaha compound. In fact, it is also a karmadharayaha compound, because we know the sutram 1242. Tatpurushaha samanadhikaranaha karmadharayaha. So all the compounds prescribed by the rules from 2149 to the end of the first quarter of the second chapter of the Ashtadhyayi get the designation karmadharayaha. So now putting all that together, we get the meaning of this sutram as subantani padani, which denote a standard of comparison. That is the upamana vachakani, optionally compound with subantani padani, which have denoted the common attribute, that is the samanya vachanaihi, provided both the subanta pade refer to the same item. So samana adhikaranaihi, and the resulting compound is a tatpurushaha. Now what exactly is a upamanam? The note says upamiyate yena tadupamanam. That to which something is compared is called upamanam. So upamanam is a standard of comparison, that to which something is compared. And what about this term samanya vachanaihi? What exactly does that mean? The next note says ye shabdaha purvam sadharana dharmam uktvadhuna tadvati dravye vartante te samanya vachanaha ityuchyante. So ye shabdaha purvam sadharana dharmam uktva adhuna. Adhuna means now. Tadvati dravye vartante te samanya vachanaha iti uchyante. So those words which, having previously described a common attribute, presently denote the thing or substance which possesses that common attribute, are known as samanya vachanaha. So tadvati dravye vartante. So they presently denote the thing or substance which possesses that common attribute. This is how samanya vachanaha is interpreted. It will all become clear when you look at an example. The example here is ghana iva shamaha, ghana shamaha, dark like a cloud. Shri Krishna, dark like a cloud. Ghana shamaha. Note here says that iha purva padam tat sadrishe lakshanikam iti suchayitum laukika vigrahe iva shabdaha prayujyate, which means that in the laukika vigraha, the term iva, meaning like, is used to indicate that the prior member, in this case ghana, of the compound is to be interpreted as ghana sadrisha, like a cloud. That is why even though iva is not a part of the compound, that iva is put in the laukika vigraha in order to show that ghana stands for ghana sadrisha. So ghana is lakshanikam for ghana sadrisha. That is what the iva tells us. The alaukika vigraha, of course, is ghana su plus shama su, compounding authorized by this sutram 2155. Upamanani samanya vachanaihi. Because we have the word ghana su, which is the standard of comparison, that to which someone is being compared. And Shama Su is the Samanya Vachanaha, that which, having previously described a common attribute, darkness, presently denotes the person, in this case Sri Krishna, who possesses that common attribute of darkness. Hence all the conditions for 2155 are satisfied, so the sutram authorizes this compound. Remaining steps are straightforward. As per the sutram 1243, prathama nirdishtam samasa upasarjanam, the term ghana su gets the designation upasarjanam because in the samasa vidhayaka sutram 155 the term upamanani ends in the nominative case, and hence as per the sutram 2230 upasarjanam purvam, the term ghana su is placed in the prior position in the compound, and now ghana su shama su gets the designation pratipadikam by the sutram 1246 krit tadita samasascha, because we have formed a compound. This allows us to apply 2471 supo dhatu pratipadikayoho, perform the look elision on the sup affixes su and su, which are inside the compound pratipadikam, so we get ghana shama. Now, since the latter member shama of the compound is an adjective, as per the sutram 426 paravalingan dvandvatat purushayoho, the compound may be declined in all three genders. In the masculine it is declined like rama shabdaha, so we say ghana shamaha Shri Krishnaha. The note says that purva nipata niyamartham sutram, this sutram 2155 upamanani samanya vachanaihi is composed for the purpose of placing the term denoting the upamanam in the prior position in the compound. The compound itself is already authorized by the sutram 2157 visheshanam visheshena bahulam, but using 2157 would allow us to place either term in the prior position in the compound, which would be undesirable. Either term can be considered to be a visheshanam. For example, here ghana, which stands for ghana sadrisha, or shama, either one qualifies as a visheshanam. So either one could take the prior place in the compound. But the desired form is only ghana shama and not shama ghana. So therefore we need the sutram 2155 to make sure that the upamanam, in this case ghana, is placed in the prior position in the compound.